Oh, I sit at the front desk. I'm the person who will greet you when you walk into the office door. I am responsible for attendance here, so when teachers take attendance, I take it from there. Late kids that come in, I sign them in and make sure that gets input.
So basically, first point is with parents and students, making the students feel comfortable here when they're very nervous about coming over here from other districts or from the high school. They don't know what to expect.
You know, phone calls, talking to parents, getting kids in for attendance, making sure the teachers know who the subs are in the building, helping Mr. Wilson get organized.
We love the students and we love when they come in, and we have certain students that we kind of go back and forth with and we have those relationships with. We have students that need a little extra on days, and I think they have come to realize they can come to us in those matters, and we're there for the students a lot of times.
And it's about relationships. It's trying to build the relationships that with kids that might just need a hug, or students that have some special needs that just need a little assistance or a friend just to talk to.
Well, warm, inviting, non-judgmental, I think, is the main thing, because everybody has their own story.
A lot of the kids need a friendly face. They need a loving support system. So when you have those kids that come in and they smile, their face changes from, they're kind of numb when they come in, but it changes to a smile, or you can get them laughing, and it's a very rewarding job.
I couldn't imagine doing anything else. This is what I never thought I would end up doing for my whole life, but it's been a great career.
We try to be as respectful as we can to all the kids. We try to teach, responsibility, and I think we're a very safe building, and it's just to let the kids know that they're loved.